Welcome to Chao. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, don't forget to click that subscribe button below. Today, I'm going to show you a very special recipe. Because it's Valentine's, it has to be extra special. And we're going to make a unicorn frappe. For this, we need quite a number of ingredients. For the red color, because it's unicorn, we need it to be red and blue. So for the red, I'm going to use frozen strawberries. For the blue, I'm going to use butterfly pea. Instead of using fresh butterfly pea flour, I'm going to use a powder form. Now this butterfly pea is very beautiful because it has no flavor and no taste. What it gives you is pure goodness, antioxidants, all the benefits that you can get for your hair and for your skin. And it gives you that beautiful blue color, all natural. For this purpose, I'm going to use yogurt. But this time, if you're in the provinces or upcountry and you cannot find fresh yogurt, this is quite useful because this is in powder form. Now yogurt makes it a little bit more sour, which gives it that contrast in taste, sour, sweet. We are also going to use my favorite ingredient, which is vanilla. I'm going to use Da Vinci vanilla syrup for that. And just to make it sweeter, I'm going to use our homemade sugar syrup. And to top it up, we are going to use some beautifully colored sugar. Now, why is this good? It's because it only adds a little bit more sweetness. It doesn't change the flavor of your drink. So, let's get started. So, because we are going to make two colors, I'm going to use two blenders, two jugs. If you don't have to, you start with the lighter color before the darker color. So I would suggest you start with your red one. But because we have two, then I'm going to use one jug is for the red and one jug is for the blue. Now for the red, I'm going to use 1 cup of frozen strawberries. So let's put it in our blender. And I'm going to put my sweetener in this blend. I'm going to put about 1.5 ounce of sugar syrup. There you go. Into the blender. And to that, I'm going to add half an ounce or 15 ml of our vanilla syrup. Now this pump is 7.5 ml per pump, so I'm going to put 2 pumps, 1, 2, and that is your half an ounce of vanilla syrup. Now because this is frozen, all I need is only about half a cup of our ice. So there you go. We put half a cup of ice. And then we can pop this into the blender and start blending. Okay, so there's our red blend. Let's put it aside for now. Now let's make our blue blend. For the blue blend, we're going to use about 1/4 teaspoon of the butterfly pea and dissolve it in hot water. 2 ounces of hot water. And then we'll pop this into our blender. And then we are going to put 4 tablespoons of our yogurt powder. If you have fresh yogurt, you can use fresh yogurt. But make sure you take or you use the plain one. So I'm going to put 4 heaps of yogurt powder into our blender. That's it. That's all you need for this one. And then we're going to put our ice. And then let's pop it into our blender. Okay, one more time. Let's do it. Okay, so there is our blue blend and our red blend. Now it's time to assemble the drink in our cup. We can start with pouring some of the red blend into our cup. Let's do that. Okay, let's put this aside. And then just to make some layer, we're going to alternate with the blue. Then let's put our red colored sugar and and then our blue colored sugar. Because we're red and blue, let's put 2 straw, 1 red and 1 blue. And this is your beautiful unicorn frappe, which is perfect for Valentine's Day. Wow, it gives you that perfect blend of sweet and sour. I can taste a little bit of the vanilla with the strawberry and the sourness of the yogurt. It's actually a burst of flavors. It's perfect for Valentine's Day. So I hope you have a special event planned for today. If you haven't got anyone to spend it with, don't worry. You can always check out all the videos in this channel. Or if you're having a special someone to go out with tonight, have a good time. Enjoy your day and share the love. Thank you for watching, and ciao for now.